Database connection, NodeJS course. MongoDB's connection already connected by this extension. Now go to the server.js, install Mongoose. It takes some time. Mongoose used for database connection for validation purpose and schema purpose. We will check in our upcoming episodes. Now we import Mongoose, required Mongoose, then mongoose.connection with parameter of our MongoDB database URL, then add parameter use new URL parser to. It's a flag to allow the user to fall back the old parser if they find a bug in the new parser. After that, const db equal to mongoose dot connection, then db on error, receive error in console, db once open, then arrow function, write console, connect with the database. Let's run our server by node server.js. Server is started, but we are waiting for connection. Expected error because this URL is invalid. We receive error here in connection. Now correct the URL and run again. This time our database is connected. I hope you like this video.